Bollywood has taken a rather risky path of choosing topics related to Hindu mythology and making fictional movies on it, and that too at a time when the country is going through some unsaid unrest, and a smallest diversion from original creates a stir and agitations. So, what do you think? Will these upcoming movies based on Hindu mythology be liked and digested by the audience, or will it outrightly get rejected? Don't forget, the fashion of #boycott_Bollywood is still on. Anyways, coming year is going to be super exciting as Bollywood directors gear up to give you a tour of the mythical world of demons, god and mythological characters and tales we grew up learning about. From Akshay Kumar's Ram Setu, Prabhas, Adipurush, to Vicky Kaushal's The Immortal Ashwathama, here are some upcoming Bollywood mythological movies to look forward to. First movie is Ram Setu. On Diwali, Akshay Kumar shared 2 posters of his Ram Setu that revolves around the journey of archaeologists to find out the truth behind the Ram Setu. Was it man-made? That is by Sri Ram Bhakts, or was naturally created? Akshay is seen in a casual shirt, cargo pants, carrying a sling bag, and saffron color scarf wrapped around his neck. The first look in the poster surely intrigues the curious minds. The film is directed by Abhishek Sharma and produced by Akshay Kumar's Cape of Good Films. Second, interesting release is mythological movie Adipurush. According to a report in the Times of India, the movie is based on Ramayana and features Prabhas as Lord Ram, Kriti Sanon as Goddess Sita, and Saif Ali Khan as Lankesh. No further details are known, so will it take us back in time, or will it be a modern take of Ramayana? Will be known soon, and we shall inform our viewers. Recently, Prabhas took to social media to announce that Adipurush is releasing on the 11th of August 2022. Third movie using Hindu mythology is The Immortal Ashwathama. The successful duo of Aditya Dhar and Vicky Kaushal are coming together once again for a superhero movie based on Ashwathama, a mythological character from Mahabharata, who was the son of Guru Dronacharya and was cursed to stay immortal. An Indian Express report states that the film is expected to go on floors by April 2021. Vicky Kaushal will train in horse riding and numerous martial arts like Jujutsu for the film. Another report in the Times of India mentioned that Sara Ali Khan is being considered to play the lead actor opposite Vicky Kaushal. Fourth movie, that is much anticipated, is Brahmastra. The storyline of Ayan Mukherjee's ambitious fantasy movie Brahmastra traces its roots in Hindu mythology. As per a report in the Times of India, the first part of the trilogy will revolve around the mythological weapon Brahmastra, also known as Brahma's weapons that played a pivotal part in the war of Mahabharata. The movie features Amitabh Bachchan, Alia Bhatt, Ranbir Kapoor, Nagarjuna and Moni Roy in prominent roles. According to a report in Hindustan Times, Shah Rukh Khan is also a part of the film as a scientist who will influence Ranbir Kapoor's character. The film was slated to release in December 2020, but has now been pushed for a later date. At number 5 is the big-budget movie called Mahabharata. This epic tale of Mahabharata, according to TOI, it will feature Deepika Padukone as Draupadi and Aamir Khan in a prominent role, and is expected to hit the theatres by Diwali 2021. Veteran scriptwriter KV Vijayendra Prasad, best known for his work in the Bahubali series, is said to be in talks to helm the script for this film. Aamir Khan might be seen playing Lord Krishna in the movie. So what do you think about these mythology-based fictional movies which will be releasing soon? Do comment.